Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to check if your PC can run any game using a free website. First, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, search for "Can you run it?" or click the link provided in the description below. Once the website opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type the name of the game you want to check. Or you can simply choose any popular game from the list. For example, I'll choose Hogwarts Legacy. Now, click on the button that says "Can you run it?" The website will automatically start checking your PC specifications step by step. In step 3, you'll be asked to download a small tool called the Detection app. This file will download automatically to your PC. Once the download is complete, open the Detection app. Wait a few moments while the app scans your system. After the scan is finished, the results will appear in your browser. In this case, my PC meets the recommended requirements to run Hogwarts Legacy. Now, let me try another test using Cyberpunk 2077. This time, the results show that my PC does not meet the recommended requirements. If you scroll down and click on the Recommended tab, you'll see exactly which components need to be upgraded. This helps you know whether you need to upgrade your graphics card, RAM, or processor. And that's it. You've successfully checked if your PC can run any game for free. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.